So we just found out who the two people were that had bailed out SBF. We know who they are now. Plus, I have some interesting information about when the market might actually crash. And that is an AI prediction here. So first, please like and subscribe. Check us down below for our CT Club where you get our trade alerts, portfolio updates, and congratulations to our CT Club because we've absolutely destroyed this beautiful move up. Okay, first off, Bitcoin is up over 50% this year. Not too bad. And this is why we've been dollar cost averaging, because you really don't know where the bottom is when it's crashing. But, we buy every day, every week, and you don't need to know where the bottom is because we are already accumulating at vastly different prices. And that is what will help people instead of having to time the absolute bottom, which a lot of people are waiting for right now. And I think we've definitely bottomed. Moving on. So, the economy, yes, we are in a definite recession, not the government recession. Until the Fed says we are in a recession, we're not in a recession. But in reality, monthly mortgage payments on existing medium price single family homes have been skyrocketing. Check out this chart. What's happening here? Why did I throw this thing in here? Well, first off, this is credit here. All right. So people are like, how would anybody be able to afford Bitcoin? Why would Bitcoin go up? There's no inflation, prices are going up. Yeah, prices are going up. And also, governments or Federal Reserve is also buying up mortgage-backed securities. They're also buying up the stock market because they have their own trading desk. They're also buying up bonds. That's why bond yields are dropping. That's the debt market, essentially. And so they're spending billions upon billions, potentially trillions of dollars, backdoor, to go ahead and buy bonds. It's called yield curve control. Look that up yourself. Bank of Japan was doing it, is doing that still. Bank of England as well. The US is doing it. Yes, and that's currency printing on a ridiculous scale. Yes, that's going to cause a lot of inflation too. So moving on, we have FTX judge denied a motion to appoint an independent examiner in the FTX bankruptcy case. In what may have been the largest alleged fraud of all time, there may not be another independent examiner. And it's Unusual Whale says, this is truly unusual. Well, here's my thought on this. Independent examiner is going to cost a lot of money, right? And so we all know that this case is going to keep going on for years and years and years. Just look at Mt. Gox. Like, it took years for that thing to finally get finished. This is going to take even longer because it's much more complex. Plus, I kind of agree with the judge. You don't need it. I'd rather give that money back to whatever's left, to give it back to the users rather than them proving a bunch of facts of what happened. You know what I mean? So that's just my take. I feel bad for the people that lost their money, and I just hope they get as much money as they can back from the FTX case. All right. So speaking about FTX, guess who those two people were? All right. So one was Andreas Pepicki. Andreas is a senior research scientist at Stanford. Where have we heard Stanford from? All right. The next one was Larry Kramer. Kramer is the former dean at Stanford Law School. So guess who's been... Kramer, yeah. Guess who's been paying these two guys under the table? Yeah, SBF, for sure. These guys are crooks. They're all crooks. They hang out with crooks. Misery loves company. So do thieves. Thieves love company with other thieves. And these are definite crooks. Crooks. So if you ever get on their social media, just blast them. Why not? Okay, so now we have ChatGPT. Just had a crazy prediction of a stock market crash. And it says it will happen on March 15th, 2023. So yeah, this is what ChatGPT has been saying, and we'll see what happens on that. For me, I'm pretty bullish on Bitcoin. I understand where it's heading. I know where the crypto market is heading long term. So if there is a crash, what's a crash? Like a crash could be like 5-6%. That's nothing. That's nothing. And also, the broader market has actually been lower lately, while crypto has been skyrocketing. So it's kind of cool to see a delinking of the stock market and crypto. That's all I have. Please like and subscribe, and I will talk to you soon.